Preparing quizzes can take hours, from drafting questions to aligning them with your curriculum goals. But with AI, this task has been made much easier. However, most AI tools focus solely on text-based interactions, not allowing your students to engage directly with that content you just created. What if I tell you there's a perfect AI quiz maker that not only whips up questions in seconds, but supports asynchronous student completion and even gives personalized AI feedback for every student? Enter Edcafe AI, a tool that simplifies quiz creation while keeping them engaging and effective. Let's get into how you can use Edcafe to create an interactive AI quiz. Step number 1, access Edcafe AI and its quiz maker. First step there is to log into your account or create a new one at edcafe.ai. Once you've logged in, you can click on the Create New button here, then we'll click on the Quiz feature. This quiz feature allows you to generate a quiz based off of any topic, text, a web page, or even a document. In addition, you can set your student levels and any standards, and then add any specific curriculum goals that you want to include. Step 2, generate your quiz. You can upload a document, insert your web page, paste in your text, or just type in a topic. If you need a head start in creating your prompts, try this prompt ideas option to get a few different ideas on what you can put into these fields. For our example, let's just say the topic is photosynthesis. Then we can personalize it further to meet our specific student needs. So you can add any additional instructions along with specifying your student levels and selecting which question type you want to choose and adding in any standards. So we'll just do the Common Core state standards here. Then Edcafe will generate your quiz instantly. Edcafe can also generate other quizzes. Want a reading comprehension activity? Upload your document and Edcafe will create some questions tailored to that content. Using a video in your lesson, add in the YouTube link and Edcafe will convert that video into an interactive quiz. Step 3, edit your quiz. When the AI generation is done, you can take a look at all of your questions. Feel free to edit the question answer choices, along with the explanation that will be provided to students. In addition, if you look through all the questions and you see something missing, you're free to add additional questions. So you can add any that you want on your own, or you can use AI to help you generate a new question. And done. The next time you do this, you can create a quiz in under 60 seconds. But there's so much more that you can do with this quiz, like sharing it to your students. So let's take a look. Step 4, save your quiz. Once the quiz is ready, save it so that you can seamlessly share it with your students. All of your quizzes are stored in your very own resource library. This library can be organized into folders for easy access. It's like having some ready-to-go teaching materials whenever you need. In Edcafe, when you're done with all that editing, click on that Save button. Give your file a name. Then you can choose what folder to save it in. You're free to create a new folder or save it in one that you already have. Step 5, share this with your students. After the quiz is saved, you can duplicate this quiz to have for the future, or you can share it with your colleagues and with your students. You can export this quiz into your preferred format to give to students as a hard copy, or share it with them digitally by clicking the Assign key. Students can scan this QR code, or you can share this link with them so that way they can access on any device and complete the quiz on their own pace. So if we just go ahead, we can take a look at this quiz, but I'll show you all how to review their responses next. But this sharing is ideal for asynchronous and in-class learning. If you are using this for in-class learning, try exporting your quiz as a Microsoft PowerPoint. Then add in interactive questions using ClassPoint to make your PowerPoint interactive and engage with your students live during your presentation. Stick around and I'll show you how to do that. Step 6, access instant feedback and insights. After students have completed their quiz, they'll be able to get instant feedback on all of their responses and a quick overview of their quiz in general. Over on your teacher side, you can also see your student responses by clicking on this response button here. You can monitor the class performance, and then you can also dive deeper and identify problem areas for each specific student. And that is everything that you can do with an Edcafe AI quiz. However, bonus tip for you. I'll walk you through how to use these questions for an interactive PowerPoint presentation to engage your audience live. Bonus step 7, use the quiz in your PowerPoint lessons. To use this quiz in a PowerPoint lesson, you can click on Export, then we'll export it as a Microsoft PowerPoint file. Once it's downloaded and saved onto your device, we can open it up. If you already have a presentation that you want to add these interactive pieces to, you can simply copy and paste those files into a different PowerPoint file. Then, of course, you can edit it so that way it matches the design and is a more seamless flow. Or you can leave it in that original PowerPoint file and just keep it there for a full-on quiz or a review game. To make it interactive, you simply have to click on the Inkno ClassPoint tab in your PowerPoint ribbon. If you don't have this, you can download for free at classpoint.io. Then we just need to simply click on the corresponding question button up here to our slide. So in our case, this is a multiple choice button, so we can add that button onto our slide and then make sure to customize those side panel options here. So our number of choices matches the number of choices on our slide. Then in our PowerPoint presentation, we can begin receiving those live student responses from our audience during class. For more information on how students join and how easy it is to set up these ClassPoint questions, take a look at the video linked up above. Creating quizzes has never been this easy or efficient. With Edcafe AI, creating quizzes doesn't have to be stressful or time-consuming. Try it out and see how Edcafe AI and ClassPoint can transform your classroom. Then subscribe to the channel to never miss an EdTech video.